Hello happy YouTubers, this is Marcena. In this video, I'm going over 12 diseases most common to peonies and what are the symptoms to look for, what type of pathogens causing the problem, and how are you going to treat these diseases, because if these diseases left untreated, they will kill your plants eventually. So let's start with the number one. Number one is phytophthora or Phytophthora sujei. And these fungus, soil-borne pathogens, mostly attack your plants if the condition is right. If it is too much of humidity and then too much building up moisture, so this pathogen will attack your plants. Now, the symptoms that you will see if this problem get into your peony, you will see discoloration from brown to black starting from the stem. And the discoloration, as the disease progresses, it starts from the stem, then ridges all the way down to the crown. Now, once it turns black and it becomes mushy, like you feel it is a leathery, and then this whole stem will collapse. If you look at the crown, you will have...
Hey guys, hope you're enjoying our videos. If you'd like to see more advanced gardening ideas, subscribe and click now. And please click the bell to be notified when we upload a new video. It's easy and it's free.
See, now, hopefully I can save this plant. Peony is beautiful, guys. And what happened, I removed some of the gooey stuff from it, and you can see I dried a little bit, and the crown is turned black. So what I'm going to do here, if you have this problem, if you have a Phytophthora problem because the soil was too wet and it rots the stem, so you definitely need to treat with fungicide. So in this case, I'm going to use my Azatic. There are two types of Azatics that I had here. One is Azatic concentrate, the other one is Azatic plus. Now, the Azatic plus is great in combating more than 200 pests in your garden, and it is also helping to control fungus, but it is not as effective as the concentrate. So I'm going to treat this with the Azatic concentrate. And if you want to try this product, guys, you can get it to our website. I will link the product below this video. So let's get started and treat this plant. All right, so let's treat this disease. So if you guys use Azatic concentrate, shake the bottle to distribute the content. Now, I will need 1 teaspoon of Azatic concentrate. And I almost ran out. I might get another bottle. It's a 2 concentrate. So if you see like this is like a pudding, you have to place it in a warm water to melt and liquefy. And I might have to place that in the warm water. It's like pudding. And I'm going to mix it in water. Now I'm going to soak my infected plant for a couple hours. Maybe I will keep it for maybe 8 hours and see what will happen. And I'm going to follow up with you guys later on once I treated this and then plant into the container and see what will happen within 1 month. So that is Phytophthora. So you have to remove all the infected leaves or branch or not branch, stem, and remove all those tissue that is damaged from the disease.